The honeymoon period or first 100 days of office of duly constituted Batangas governor and showbiz celebrity Vilma Santos is over. And there is tangible proof she has followed through on most of her promises on the stump to improve healthcare, education, and connectivity for her constituents, which our Isaiah Mirafuentes narrates in this story.
Matatag na Batangas, this remains the banner of the Batangueños under the administration of Governor Vilma Santos Recto. One of her main goals is to bring the provincial government closer to the people of Batangas.
I just want to assure the people and of course my constituents na nagbigay ng tiwala sa akin na maibalik ko lang yung buwis na binabayad nila. Yun ang lagi kong pinapaalala sa kanila. Even all the ayudas na binibigay sa kanila, hindi ko pera yan.
In her first 100 days as provincial governor, a large portion of the province's funds has been allocated to health and education. In healthcare, she prioritized the construction of new hospitals. 2 new hospitals are expected to rise in the province of Batangas. They also allocated funds for free medical assistance, particularly for dialysis patients. In education, there are now more than 700 scholars in Batangas. Millions of pesos have also been allotted for the construction of new classrooms. The provincial government is also installing free internet access in remote areas. In addition, the capital ensures the safety of Batangueños.
Nakapagtala tayo ng zero crime days sa iilang pagkakataon dito sa Batangas. At sa tulong po ng teknolohiya, mas mabilis at epesyente ang tugon po ng ating pong mga kapulisan.
For Vilma Santos, the biggest supporter of her political career is her husband, Finance Secretary Ralph Recto. Her husband stands by her in ensuring that there is no corruption in the province.
Pumupunta siya rito minsan once a month or minsan at twice a month just to double check all the documents na pinipirmahan ko. Just to make sure na walang talo, walang malo doon na pinirmahan ko na baka mabalikan ako.
Batangas has 19 municipalities and 5 cities. The governor promises that the economy of Batangas will continue to grow for the remainder of her term. Isaiah Mirafuentes from the National TV Network for a New and Better Philippines.